Our company's James Enterprise. We were formerly the largest distributor for Berkey. We moved to ShipHero in 2022. 2022 was our biggest year. At the time when we implemented, I think we had 8 warehouse employees. After we implemented through natural attrition, employee attrition, we got down to 4 and we stayed there, right? So I think from just the efficiencies that we picked up with it, when employees would leave for another opportunity or whatever, it was kind of like, do we really need to replace them? And the answer was always no. When I was looking at WMS solutions, and ShipHero was in that mix that we were looking at, I was doing a lot of time studies just around like what's our average pick rates and things like that, and kind of how we had the warehouse laid out prior to moving to ShipHero. And we were running about like our best pickers were about 50 seconds per order. The slower ones were about 60. When we were doing the implementation of ShipHero, we'd hired 2 new warehouse employees the week prior. And I was kind of like, the warehouse manager was like, should we train them on Skubana or should we wait? I said, let's just wait. Day one of the new pickers, one of the new warehouse employees, he picked 27 orders and averaged 55 seconds an order, which was kind of right in where we wanted to be, right? Based on what we were accustomed to. Day 5, that same employee picked 200 orders, 34 seconds an order. That was a sign that the system was doing the work, right? But it's intuitive. There's photos of the product. It's hard to make a mistake. And then beyond that, having the confidence at the packing stations, having a more senior warehouse employee kind of backing up that new employee, and the quality, control at the packing station, very, very few errors. I think the whole process was probably 3 or 4 calls with our team and the ShipHero team, and really just going through line by line what applied to us and making sure nothing major was missed. And I think total downtime, we were maybe down for 2 hours. And, basically told the warehouse employees to go start sweeping floors, do whatever. We'll be back up running here in a little bit. And it was pretty seamless. That was huge for us. We were able to prevent having to hire back a bunch of additional employees. So.